figured we'd try a new 50th anniversary cupcake.
So, in case you're wondering what it is, this is a lemon cake, lemon chiffon filling, and vanilla frosting with celebration sprinkles, splatter-coated chocolate Mickey, and gold-dusted 50th anniversary medallion. You do it just like Vanna White. You're really good at that.
Oh, thank you.
You're like a show person.
I've been staring at it for the past half hour. Waiting for the perfect place to showcase it.
That's right, and this is it because
that's just a little behind the scenes for you guys.
That's right, because there's not very much music here, so this is the perfect spot to do it.
Oh, and the kite show was on, so we had to stop for that.
Yeah, we had to watch that. We had never seen that before.
Pretty good.
Let's try it. I'm not going to wait anymore.
So how's the icing?
Very sweet. I don't taste a bit of lemon. It tastes like pure sugar.
All right,
I think it's supposed to be, oh, it's vanilla frosting. It's not lemon frosting, that's why it didn't taste like lemon.
The cupcake's lemon.
It's yellow.
What's the outside?
I think that's chocolate.
Ooh, okay.
That's usually chocolate, this little medallion thing. We'll eat that later.
So let's get into the
actual cup. Should we break off the...
Yes.
Let's break off
I'm going to try it just the way it is, just like that.
We don't have napkins. You taste the lemon? I'll tell you, this paper's up.
And I'm not much of a lemon fan.
I am.
But I know you are. It's pretty decent. I'm not much of a lemon fan.
All right. It's not going to look pretty, but you know what? It's going to get gobbled down anyway.
Yeah.
Let's show them what it looks like now, this mess.
We undressed the cupcake. Now we will show you.
Yeah. Watch out. It's...
That's a pretty tall order, isn't it?
Yeah. Half frosting.
Ooh.
If you like frosting, this is a cupcake for you.
Right,
I got cupcake all on my fingers.
Now your turn.
Let's try. I'm not going to have too much frosting because that's
it tastes pretty thick too, you know? I don't know what other word to describe it.
Mmm. I like it.
I knew you would like it because you love lemon. But, and it's good. I'd definitely get that again, wouldn't you?
Yeah. I'd rather have this than a chocolate cupcake. Wow, that's good. I mean, I think you have to have a little bit of the frosting because it's very tart. But it's really good. If you like lemon, this is a good cupcake. We're gonna have to clean this table. We got crumbs all over this thing. Look at my fingers, what a mess. And we don't have napkins.
You know, they got a lot of good desserts. You stop to try them like over in Avatar. What is that? That mousse chocolate?
You have like a blue mousse or something. I don't know. It's really good though.
Very good. It's good, huh?
Oh, we're gonna keep gobbling this down.
Yep. And
we'll bring you more stuff.
Yeah, we'll show you the rest of the park. Okay, guys, we're gonna show you a little bit of the show Kite Tales.
That's right, because we were on the back side. Next time we'll be on the front, but at least you'll be able to see some of it.
Yeah, it looks like a very nice show.
Yeah, it was really cool. We never seen it.
So, enjoy it, guys.
It's
taking through all that
What are you saying?
over there?
You go to no.
Going to do it for us today right here at Animal Kingdom. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'd appreciate it if you shared and like and subscribe. And remember, smiles are free. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.